Arrive in style with this Ford 2013 Explorer XLT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: voice-activated navigation system, comfort package, driver connect package, equipment group 202A, trailer tow package, class 3, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player and MP3 decoder. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.